bless you. Oh, yeah. We're all one. We don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We don't need no division. One people with different religions. One aim, one destination. Some people think they are, true them have enough money to spend. So they brag and show off, disrespecting their best friend. True them a drive a Bimmer, a Jaguar up there. They don't even hold the original corners again. But we're all one. We don't need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We need no division. One people with different religions. Take heed, my brother, yeah. Love is the only answer, and unity will make us strong. When will this war be over? The people will like to know. Too much senseless violence. Our nation is dying out. Only Jah alone can help us. The good book teaches us we're all one. We need no division. One nation with different religions. One aim, one destination. We're all one. We need no division. One people with different religions. Take heed, my brother, man, yeah. We're all one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Take heed, my brother, man, yeah. We're all one. All are one. We're all one. All are those. Tell them we're all one. We need no division. One nation with different. We're going home to Zion. For too long we've been here in Babylon. Wanna go back home, yeah, to a place called Ethiopia, part of the motherland. First in civilization on the river Nile. 13 months of sunshine, beautiful all the time. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Close my eyes, try to visualize the joy I've been missing. Trying the hills, meeting and greeting. With the elders I'll be reasoning. Learning things I never knew. Telling them what I know. If you feel the way I do, let's pack up our things and go home to Zion. Take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. So many things to change my mind. Luxury, fame, and fancy life that I won't be captured by. Gotta make it home on time. I won't worry, I won't fret. Gotta make it home before the sunset. Windy road, slippery and wet. Jah will guide my footsteps home to Zion. Take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion. place called Ethiopia, heart of the motherland. First in civilization on the river Nile. 13 months of sunshine, beautiful all the time. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Ethiopia, the promised land. Oh, Zion, take me home to Zion. Yes, take me home to Zion. Take me home.
Why is it to rebel against each other when we work to establish our own nobility? Sound and grow, them no really know we get. Scroll and show, so them on a pipe fry. Oneness, mess up them and them wicked flex. Warrior road with our joy. Hey, blackness, some of them no really know we get. Scroll and show, so them on the pipe fry. Oneness, mess up them and them wicked flex. Warrior road with our joy. Well, I'm max weight, can't push me under. Come straight out for this, me and no stranger. Some people not create, can't go no further. In front of your faces like a lunge and the danger. Oh, 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 storing of the fire, things can get ugly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're all desire if you want to come and test me. Don't give it up, bro, you ain't not close. Rose wouldn't say that's all. Your checks so put your signature. You test the best, you never live to draw. Rasta man is a very own legend. Never mix your business with pleasure. Black people come with jump for joy. Raise your on the music, babe. Son they grow, them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them other pipe. Hey, who next? Mess them up, them on them wicked flex. Warrior roll, let her dry. Hey, blackness, some of them no really know it yet. Scroll and show, so them other pipe. Right, oneness, mess up them on them wicked flex. Babylon burn, let her dry. Well, I wouldn't play with it, I must lay with it. Bounce, gather your pieces and your bits. Hey, I wouldn't play with it, why must I lay with it? Count, not a ounce, I miss nana. Can't make me vex as if they want me to. Bro, watch your step on the things you do. Yeah, you cut your road, so look for obstacle. And none of your counts could ever make me post. Sound ain't road, them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe right. Who next? Mess them on them wicked flex. So last see I stand wet or dry. Oh, negro, yo, some no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them are the pipe right. Oneness, mess them on them wicked flex. Warrior road with her dry. No, I talk and some get crazy. The truth about some of them walk a bit hasty. Go standing far off a chat about me feisty. Oh, probably you don't know me. Hey, love is my meditation. Some mind they bring segregation that mess up situation. Love is my meditation. Some might bring segregation that mess up Sizzla done much less. Some of them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, set them at the bottom right. Oneness, mess up every wicked flex. So last year I burn them wet or dry. Yo, blackness, some of them no really know we yet. Scroll and show, so them at the pipe right. Oneness, them up them on them wicked flex. Babylon burn wet or dry. Yo, Max wait, you push me under. Come straight close to this, me and no stranger. Flip on a create, can't go no further. In front your faces like a lunge and the danger. Oh, 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 soaring up the fire, things can get ugly. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You're all desire if you want to come and test me. Negro, them no really know we yet. Scroll them show, so them are the public.
Emperor Selassie, I bless them. Burning fire never ends. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because the ignorance are now. Simplicity we used to survive. Do what you doing properly, that's the way through life. Simplicity we used to survive. Men find it difficult because the ignorance are now. Simplicity we used to survive. Children, open up your eyes. It's not the one bag of on it Animosity nothing, animosity nothing. Hypocrisy nor democracy. It's nothing, lava nothing. Backstabber nor vampire evil's desire. It's just a meditation of my heart. Pure and conscious thought. Be overstanding and be smart. Listen to the children speak the word and shine the light in the dark, yeah. Simplicity we used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity me used to survive. Do what to do in proper name. That's the way through life. Simplicity I used to survive. Children open up your eyes. Simplicity me used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Yeah. Avoid your anger, that report. Praise Rastafari and live a worthy cause. Give us all the blessing, give us all reward. To help the poor and find it easy when them find it hard. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and die. Simplicity I used to survive. I shall live and love your life. Keep doing what you're doing, don't you grumble. See what you sow is what you reap, so be humble. Know what you're doing, you never stumble. Burn down Rome, I side them crumble. Lead the way with the word that I speak. Never must you stray, praise the King in the east. Oh, I know you teach Christ, I am not rich. Oh, yeah. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. Burn Pharisees and scribes. Simplicity I used to survive. Men who find it difficult because they ignorant and all. Simplicity I used to survive. Oh, Galante tell you, it's not the one bag of vanity.
As we travel on, yeah, we need each other. Oh, I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. Yeah, I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Yeah, no man is an island, no man stands alone. Hey, hey, yeah. All for one, one for all. Me nah see that, none at all, none at all. No, no. Let's get back to the chain of life and find the missing link. Hey. Open up our minds and universalize the way we think. The way we think. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. When life's burden gets heavy for your shoulders to carry, you need a friend or family, someone who's a company. Afraid to ask, for have to survive the stormy blast. Reach out and you may find help is on the line. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. Yeah. don't need help to climb up the ladder. Like one family, we have to stick together. Like sheep at one flank, birds have one feather. Listen to the voice of only come all love. I know where life can get better. Every man I want like say them a hot stepper. Some man I want like say them a top shotter. Time to we live up and serve the Father. Hey, why can't we unite for the benefit of our youth? Sake of our generations coming. Oh my Lord, Lord, Lord. Love is what we need in this world today. I can, you can, we can, we all can reach where we wanna go if we only just work together. I can, you can, we can, all can reach where we wanna go if we all just work together. Let's do it. A night like this, when I lay down on my bed, when I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through, as the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. Saying to myself, I must rise and go and testify. 'Cause man was made to serve God. Together we live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we live forever. Upon this earth on which I trod to teach the word of God, my Bible is my only shield and the music is my rod. I pray mankind would hear my voice and listen when I call. But all they do is carry on like they don't care at all. When man was made to serve God, and together live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together we'll live forever. Was a lonely night, a night like this, when I lay down on my bed, when I thought about the God I serve and all I'm going through. As the memories rushed down through my mind, it brought tears down to my pillows. I said to myself that I must rise and go and speak your word. 'Cause I know that man was made to serve God, and together would live forever. Man was made to serve God, and together would live forever. Yeah.
we seek that life which is the best. And as we lift our eyes to the east, we see that land flowing with milk and honey. Big ship is sailing home, so come along, come along, come along. Brothers and sisters going home, we are aware and prepared now trodden to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trodden to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're trodden to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trodden to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We are the rightful owners. We're gonna trample like a soldier. We're crossing all different borders, arriving at our final destination, Ethiopia, home mother of civilization. We're tired of all this persecution. Welcome us home with love and grace. Oh, Mama Africa, we see that smile on your face. Africa, here we come. We're trodden to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trodden to the promised land. Everyone know Africa, here we come. We're trodden to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trodden to the promised land. Whoa, whoa, whoa. My, Africa, oh God. Trad we a go trad it, live we a go live it, cause I take we a go take it, cause Africa we love it. Trad we a go trad it, live we a go live it, cause I take we a go take it, Africa we love it. It's a feeling that's deep down within, where Africans are broken, hear our ancestors calling. And as we lift our eyes to the east, we see that land flowing with milk and honey. Big ship is sailing home. So come along, come along, come along. Brothers and sisters going home. We are aware and prepared now that time is here. So Africa, here we come. We're trodden to our father's land. Oh God, Africa, here we come. We're trodden to the promised land. Everyone in Africa,
They did know, yeah.
no someone tell me. We're no say one day the black man would rule this land, yeah. Them woulda never take away from Mama Africa. Now the hope of the world lies in the hand of a child of a slave. See them blackness where them teeth we say are crosses has now become the light of hope for the masses. Check the progression, we need a leader with discretion. Martin Luther get the vision. So make we holla, holla, holla. While on the field we put on division. Come make we holla, holla, holla. And cast away all racism. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. It's about time we live Martin's vision. Yo, make we holla, holla, holla. Cast away all racism. Now the children of slaves are
What's in your boots?
They celebrate now. Winning without fight is best. Lovers of war will perish. I know leadership don't mean damnation. Love don't mean retaliation. If we don't stop the wars, who's gonna be at fault? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. At the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, hey, yeah. Remember our forefathers' tears, the life which were lost for us to see peaceful years. When shots stop, who remains flat? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. At the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, hey, yeah. Unity only accepted goes. Conscience must decide the destiny of souls. Wheels rolling down a hill needs no push. Works of the KKK shouldn't be done by us. Instead of love you hate, so they jump. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. At the death of the child of a slave. Child of a slave. Oh, yeah. Leadership don't mean damnation. Love don't mean retaliation. If we don't stop these wars, who's gonna be at fault? Hip hip hooray, they celebrate. Eat caviar, drink champagne. Hip hip hooray, they celebrate.
Over this world. Over your soul. Over this soul. No looking back, no turning back. I decided to serve Georgia. No looking back, no turning back. I know I got to be stronger. No looking back, no turning back. I decided to serve Georgia. No looking back, no turning back. I know I gotta be stronger. I am so sure about this folklore, spreading to shores more than before. Although sometimes temptation come your way, don't give up now. Go on your knees and pray. Such a difficult task of finding food today. Just is the will to show you the way. No looking back, no turning back. I know I must serve Georgia. No looking back, no turning back. I know I gotta be stronger. No looking back, no turning back. I decided to serve Georgia. No looking back, no turning back. I know I gotta be stronger. Fly low, I can't let you go. No, he's my only hope and source of ever being.
Georgia, no looking back, no turning back. I know I gotta be stronger.
Know your God, know your King. I listen, Lassie is my God and King. I got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me nah get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Hey, listen, I listen, Lassie is my God and King. Got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me nah get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen, me no bing. Hey, none before and none after. No carbon copy and no imposter. When I need to hear you fear it, yeah. Do no mock rasta. Hey, and not tell we not tell we about no rapture. You see ya, you can feel ya. Well, go and go read the scripture. Not a real, not Babylon. I am your son, I go eat ya. The poor get poor and the richer get richer. Every man a play a role and every man go paint a picture. Don't be a shuffler and don't be no trickster. Yo, Rasta told you what you know. Hey, hey. Well, Jah is my God and King. I got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me not get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Hey, and I told you, Jah is my God and King. Got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Never get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen, me no bing. Hey, yes, and I say I am yes, I know it's legal. Them try to trick me people, them with material. Well, give praises to the one who is royal. King Selassie, and he's so imperial. Do not come and trick me people, and with no idol. My road thunder, and him push tidal. Babylon, you see me empress, you just a vider. Cause the judge of me is an alone a rider. And it's Lassie, my God and King. Got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me nah get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen to me, Bing. Well, Jah is my God and King. I got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me nah get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen me no. None before and none after. No carbon copy and no imposter. Me no need to hear no fairy tale. Do no mock rasta. Hey, and not tell me nothing about no rapture. You can see ya, you can feel ya. Well, go and go read the scripture. Not a real, not Babylon. I am yes and I go eat ya. The poor get poor and the richer get richer. Every man a play a role and them a paint them own a picture. Don't be no shuffle, love me. I tell you, do not be no trickster. Hey, cause I told you, hey, I this last is my God and King. I got to tell the world life is the greatest thing. Me never get caught up in them western swing. Confusion and violence them bring. Well, listen me now to me.
One food in the basement. Yeah.
And I'm gonna try. Take it out.
Never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No. I listen, Lassie, bless me offspring and me ayata. I keep on telling them, never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No. I listen, Lassie, bless me offspring and me ayata. Well, as me rise and shine, won't say no word this time. This a battlefield designed for both mine. I got my family to feed and treat them kind. Me not left out the homeless, the duty's mine. Global warming and the wickedest crime. Me they have to preserve King David line. For sure I'm yours and you are mine. Hello, Mama Earth, go and shine.
Mama Earth, go and shine.
Never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No. I listen, Lassie, bless me offspring and me ayata. I keep on telling them, never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No. I listen, Lassie, bless me offspring and me ayata. What I know, me know where me coming from, me never born big. Al-Kibul and Kushites are the life where me live. A real cyber war, me see them a go on with. The world gets scared, everyone haunted. When Babylon said that the Kushites wanted, the amount of so planted. And the Holy Trinity that don't left me stranded. And what them a go do to rotted? Watch out now. Never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No, no, no. I listen to bless me offspring and me a yata. I keep on telling them, never throw away the sick before you cross the water. No, no, no. I listen to bless me offspring and me a yata. Well, as me rise and shine, what say no one this time? This a battlefield for no reason. Hey, watch out now, prisoners. Break free, break free.
Under the innocent individual where them locked down in a captivity. Where you song go so?
Break free, break free.
Port Augusta, Spanish Town, Remand Center. Mr. Evil GP, prisoners, them not keep quiet. Give them the human rights, them a go inside riot. Why? Judge could a big like Goliath. Words on fire, I go put them pan diet. See yourself, and no flex like no maggot. Seek salvation, want keep this about. Free up your cure and no bad chat like no parrot. Freedom is pretty than 24 karat. Hey, well what's that now?
Break free, break free.
An innocent individual where them locked down in a captivity. Fire yes and go so.
Break free, break free.
Port Augusta, Remand Center, Spanish Town. Hey, tell them say don't a GP. To all my family are captive. Here's Selassie and keep life active. Positive, well that you have to strap with it. All know them, no know who them are ramp with it. Well tell them, and the woman them me clamp with it. Try the river Nile and walk the river bank with it. And also a woman me go light me lamp with it. Free up the youth them now, no keep them as no hostage. Well what's up with them?
Break free, break free.
All of the innocent individual where them locked down. Me say innocently, if I am yes on gossip.
Break free, break free.
Port Augusta, Spanish Town, Remand Center. Hey, I touch a Mrs. GP. Hey,
break free, break free.
all of the innocent youth where them locked down. Well, me say innocently. Well, what I know?
Break free, break free.
Port Augusta, Spanish Town, Remand Center. Fire me some go so even GP. Prisoners, well, them can't keep quiet. Give them the human rights, or them a go pop riot. Wada, church could a big like Goliath. Words on fire, I go put them pan diet. See yourself, and no flex like no maggot. Seek salvation and go and keep this about. Free up your cure and not just like no parrot. Freedom is pretty than 24 karat. Yo, then, hey.
Break free, break free.
Yeah, cool. I don't want to tell them something to me. Yo, yo, yo. Yo. Say ya, yo. Now go walk your walk, cause when you walk on the road of corruption, you walk, yo. Now go talk your talk, cause when you talk, it not come from your heart, no. When now go sing, you sing, cause when you sing, you never hear the king, no. When now go do, you do, cause the things you do, you know them never true. So I will never cherish no wrong, and I'll always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon and bounce them ya wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon and bounce them ya wicked man. Song when me a sing for the salvation. The song when me a sing emancipation. Song when me a sing for the revolution. Song when me a sing a song of redemption. Song when me a sing for the revelation.
Song when me a sing a repatriation. Song when me a sing a fi free me nation. The song when me a sing a figure. I will never cherish no wrong, and I always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, me say down ya in a Babylon and bounce them the wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I always be strong. Even through the accusation. Down ya in a Babylon and bounce them the wicked man. Works of the righteous man will always flourish. Works of the wicked man will always perish. Me say about and them no stop from lavish. Be a propaganda, me say them a establish. Be a arms out, me say me catch them a publish. This man the world, them know you must get demolished. I miss a man, them now what that you a polish. Fire when me light, me say can't extinguish. I will never cherish no wrong, and I always be strong. Always singing my song. Well, we say down here in the Babylon amongst them the wicked man. I will never cherish no wrong, and I always be strong. Always singing song. Food up to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food up your brow, by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you want to reach, then you have to go. You have to go. Work harder, love your mother and your father, your sisters and your brother. And even when the going gets harder, yeah, make sure you stick together. Share love for one another, like birds of a feather. Good over evil and burn the evil endeavor. If you wanna reap, then you have to sow. Food up to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. By the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you want to reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. You will make it if you try. Them say opportunity come only but once. So when it come, make sure you advance. And nobody tell me say you never get a chance. Work hard for your needs and not do for your wants. Keep it straight, don't tell me say you slang. Word, sound and power, say no lock down the dance. You love to hear the youths, them a chant. Agriculture, food, have a plan. If you wanna reap, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. Have your direction and you have to take a stand. Who like the lion and humble like the lamb. Know where you're going and where you're coming from. Have to know yourself and you have to set a plan. And yell King Selassie, I the conquering lion. We still about the fire and I don't give a damn. Careful where you eat, myself, be careful where you damn. Just one sing my song. If you wanna read, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow. And if you never seek, you will never know. And if you wanna reach, then you have to go. You have to go. And you never know if you don't go. If you wanna reach, then you have to sow. Food have to eat by the sweat of your brow, by the sweat of your brow. Food have to grow by the sweat of your brow.
Burning fire, burning fire. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. You must sell information like food. Stew. Them not real, them a fake, them no fit in at the zone. At them biggest mistake, we have got take with them crown. Them no real, them a fake, them no fit in at the zone. At them biggest mistake, we have got well them be surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies at the sky. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them a spies. I tell lies at the skies. What's up with this little laddie? It seems like informing a him habit.
Never stop until him inform on the wrong smaddy. Here from over yonder, how much them find him body. They tell them low people business, because feed them lifestyle don't eat no rigid. Them stupid, them a chat about them wicked. Run them out of the village, now make them come to find the little kids. Big surprise, them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies are disguise. Big surprise, them never know so that we know them as spies. I tell lies are disguise. Them a selling foundation. Every minute them gone down a station. Then now who them a blackmail? Them a run them out like say them a frack tail. Me know say smarty a pay them. Find out say them gone the other way then. Every day them a watch bout. Little more you see the boy them got chat bout. Yo, hey, big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Big surprise. Them never know say that we know them as spies. I tell lies and disguise. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone. And them biggest mistake, get them out of the town. Them no real, them a fake. Them no fit in the zone. And them biggest mistake, we have got the them frown. Big surprise.
So, Rastafari lives in the rain, the out of our flesh. Beauty of the air. Okay. Yeah, you know it's so Sizzla Kalonji working out for your live and living color. Gosh! Gosh! That's just what I ask. When our people gonna live in love, won't stop from fighting. See themselves as brothers and sisters. Why can't we just get along? If you're not your brother's keepers, what can you say to me? If you're not your sister's keepers, then you must mind me. There is a wide world with a whole lot of people. Some doing good and some doing evil. Still the most I give them food for all season. Still the sun, moon and stars shine for a reason. To see the world in love, I'm so anxious. I love the black roots and the black consciousness. All those who are confident in themselves, put your hands up. Jack will destroy this earth on just one touch up. When our people gonna deep in love, won't stop from fighting. Why can't people see themselves as brothers and sisters? If you're not your brother, keeper, what can you say to me? Your sisters give us the never Okay, when I say live in love, that is the truth. Remember Moses' law, eye for eye, tooth for tooth. How you for have your own child and destroy another youth. But come on, I tell you, righteousness is the root. Love another as you love thyself. No more, no strife. Don't you hurt thyself. Just be conscious and search thyself. Burn the fire and purge thyself. Why can't people live in love and stop from fighting? Why can't people see themselves as brothers and sisters? Why can't we just get along?
Well, I just like smoke to the eyes and vinegar to the teeth, so all the sluggards to them that send them. Some of them have got left from boy and them come for free court and black people pick them. But I join all of this, it's just joy and grace. Yes, yeah. Put the fullness on the heart. Just make them secure. and no time to pretend. It's I and I create these problems, and if your heart is yours, all this war would end. For the sake of the children, make the children secure. And no time to pretend. It's I and I create the problems, and if your heart is yours, all this war would end. For the sake of the children, tell them refrain from the negative. Life is for all, and yet the friend for live. Some don't really want to see the world as it is, so them get caught with all the things where them a build foundation for set. We got to do it quick up, a kind of vex. There ain't no easy way about this. Some sidestep, some come for trick. Them wrong concept, a devil them a worship. Make the children secure, and no time to pretend. I and I create these problems, and if your heart is yours, this war would end. For the sake of the children, make the children secure, and no time to pretend. It's I and I cause the problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. For the sake of the children, yeah, with all the troubles that come, you've got to overcome and be sure to take your place. Hey, that thing your ego get you down, having you for its fun. I wonder what would it take. Sam Stroke him say, if not see me, oh gosh, I say I was praising Jah. He inspired me a whole lot. Look at them idly, them catch a eagle only the children in the rock, but just make them secure. That's not time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. For the sake of the children, make them secure, and no time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is yours, everything would amend. For the sake of the children. Hey, Ra, for I shall speak of excellent things. The opening of thy lips shall be right things. My mouth speak a truth. Wickedness is an abomination unto thy lips, and the Lord thy God. It's just a warning. Hey, hey. So that's why I calling. Yo, just make them secure, and no time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. For the sake of the children, just make them secure, and no time to pretend. It's I and I cause these problems, and if your heart is really yours, war would end. For the sake of the children, Bobby say refrain from your negative. Life is for all, and yet you find to live. Some don't really want.
What's up with the world? It's the people that live in it, and I'm wondering when they'll make a change. In this age and time, you got to know your purpose of living. It's only in this time the fittest can survive. God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, nation fighting amongst themselves. It makes me wonder what will be the future, because the children needs to play. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it. Oh yes. Hey. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Say I'm hoping for the day when we land universal peace. Never say the days when the drugs and the guns and the bombs and the wars decrease. I know somewhere out there you find tranquility. Never say the days. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it, in it, in it, in it. Ooh, Lord. Hey. Whoa, Lord of mercy. Right. Yeah, Lord of mercy. Whoa, go down. What's up with the world? It's the people that live in it, and I'm wondering when they'll make a change. In this age and time, you got to know your purpose of living. It's only in this time the fittest can survive. God knows I hate to see brothers killing brothers, a nation fighting amongst themselves. It makes me wonder what will be the future, because the children needs to play. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it, in it, in it, in it. Oh yes. Hey. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Say I'm hoping for the day when we land universal peace. Never say the days when the drugs and the guns and the bombs and the wars decrease. I know somewhere out there you find tranquility. What's the matter with the world? Is the world gone mad? Oh yes. Ain't no wrong with the world. It's the people that's in it, in it, in it, in it. Ooh, Lord. Hey. Whoa, Lord of mercy. Right. Yeah, Lord of mercy. Whoa, go down. Them done dead already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done dead already. From them I forget reality. Them done dead already. Them better keep it from me. Them done dead already. Them a walk in the beat. Through the fight against the roots and culture. That's why they might live like vulture. Yes, them fight against the right tradition. That's why them get caught up in Babylon. 400 years so long, and still they're living wrong. They don't wanna live as one. All of them a live like Taliban, but them done did already. From them no love the Almighty. Say them done did already. From them I forget reality, Lord. Them done did already. Them better keep it from me. Them done did already. Them a walk in the beat. I a junk crow and I'm out them conscience for dollars and cents. Them a sell out them looks and them conscience like them don't have no sense. All those who laid the foundation no get no recompensation, and still this young generation don't seem to care one damn. That's why them done it already. From them no love the Almighty. Yes, them done it already. From them a fight against reality. Yeah. Them done it already. Them better keep it from me. Them done it already. Got them a walk in the peace. Now for them a open sepulchre, sell out for rice and bulgur. That's why they moving so vulgar, kindling the wrath of Jah. But I'm gonna have to teach them the roots, so they can know the truth and stop living like brutes. It's my warning to youth and youth who know done it already. From who no love the Almighty, so no done it already. If you no fight against reality, Lord, them done it already. Them better keep it from me. Them done it already. Them a walk in the peace. Signs of the time, sign mankind. Signs of the time. These are the signs of mankind. Enough is enough. The people have had enough. Oh yes, of this wicked Babylon system, this dreadful, terrible system plaguing our nose. Enough is enough. The people have had enough. Oh yes, of this wicked Babylon system, this dreadful, terrible system treating us so wrong. Heads of government don't mean a word they say. No, all they do is lie and steal from day to day. From day to day, they will make you promises they won't fulfill. Oh no, but they'll have to answer to. They'll have to answer Master Steel. Boy, enough is enough. The people have had enough. Oh yes, of this wicked Babylon system, this dreadful, terrible system plaguing up on us. Enough is enough. The people have had enough. Oh yes, of this wicked Babylon system, this dreadful, terrible system treating us so wrong. Treating us so wrong. Economical stress is what they use as their strategy. Strategy to force the poor and working class to live subordinately. With bills and debts and taxes too well overdue. It's got to take a miracle to see us through. Enough is enough. The people have had enough. This wicked pride of my day, keep the devil away. So they say, so I do it anyway. These are the words I say every day. Before I strap up, I say, yo, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Yeah. Click clock, another gunshot. Nothing innocent, lose them like Judas. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Yeah, the wicked rejoice. Still, I won't fear, cause I know clear. Jah got my walk everywhere out there. Yeah, that's why I rejoice. Yeah, my prayer to Jah. Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
It's a daily routine to live in the dream. They simply take hold of our minds. That's where it begins. Because to lose control of the mind of the people is destruction to the matrix. Then the empire comes tumbling in. You see, we live in the times where evil men be on the rise, making war, taking lives, corrupted leaders, taking bribes. So keeping your soul revived is worth the risk. They'll put you in the twilight zone and you're right back where you
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it through the day. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Do you rip on the news about a virus in the air, them let loose? And not tell pure lie to the youths. Say them not know how it come about when them same one bring it back. On the news, you hear about the virus where them lose. And not tell pure lie to the youths. Say them not know how it come about. Mr. Mojo make me hear you shout.
Each and every day I lay me down to sleep. I go to my knees. Could never be vain, provocative, or bow to the beast. You see, I won't forget my foes. They waiting at my door, thinking of a plan to tear me down and get me back in the game. Lives we live and the lives they take. Plagued with viruses, they call a mistake. Just think if they could ever erase the 30-something%. The human race is family, y'all. We represent.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength to make it big today. Tomorrow I'll talk with you again.
Holy Father, the world is on a rampage. And before I step out my door, I bend my knees and pray.
Give us strength.
Your music once again. It's so nice, it's so sweet, it's so beautiful to see. The people live in sweet, sweet love. Oh yeah, I feel the vibes. Lord knows it feels right. We can feel your love, boy, flowing amongst mankind. Give thanks for sweet reggae music and this positive vibe. Reggae music send a positive charge to the hearts of mankind. Reggae bring back love in the hearts of the people. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh Lord, reggae bring back love in the heart of the ghetto. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh yeah, it's all coming back the way we used to vibes. Oh brothers and sisters in a dance. Oh what a sweet sensation. Rastaman vibration. Oh love reggae sensation with this young generation. Reggae bring back love in the heart of the people. Reggae bring back sweet, sweet love. Oh Lord, oh Lord, yeah, 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 yeah.
have to die. Tell me the reason why. Some too quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why. They love to see mama cry. Tell me the reason why. People can't see eye to eye. Went to bed last night, the day was long and weary. Rise up once again, it's the same old story. Brothers putting up a fight, everyone trying to hide. Too much pain and sorrow, nothing that live. Tell me the reason why. The youths them have to die. Tell me the reason why. Some so quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why. They love to see mama cry. Tell me the reason why. People can't see eye to eye. I will say rap. When me check it out, yeah, another one drop, yeah. Can't take the blood on the gravel. One more food, more love, more joy for each other. It's a very thin line between poverty and violence. Them say a hungry man is a hungry man. The two of them go hand in hand. Tell me the reason why. The youth them have to die. Tell me the reason why. Some so quick to criticize. Tell me the reason why. They love to see it. They might fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must spite me. I can feel it. Chewy and them not link. And Chewy and them not drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them not go see it. Oh no. Sabotage. Them a sabotage. Why them have to make it look so hard? I don't know. Just doing a come at them yard. We make them push us around like fraud. Them a draw bad card. Just to how we get the applause. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say them a spite me. Yeah. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link. And Chewy and them not drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them not gonna see it. Oh, go I and I not carry no hate. You know I really got to get things straight. Them not clean now. Missy said them not clean. No, me say back out with your carnal mind. Move down with your heart full of fever. I done for a reason. Me say go down. Who I wish bad for right. Move down. You can't stop Rasta people now. I done for a reason. Hey, they ma fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. I can feel it. Chewy and them nah link. And Chewy and them nah drink. Them want to see us shrinking. Them nah go see it. Oh no. Nothing where them try it just nah work. No powers higher than Rastafari, not above, not below, neither on this earth. Them trying to make it difficult for I. Little did they know Rastafari will carry I through. Yeah. For the darkest part of the night, yeah. It's just when King Rastafari gonna shine his light, yeah. Them a fight me. I can feel it. Some of them say they must fight me. I can feel it.
This picture of me in my palace garden in Addis Ababa, so it can be known unto the entire world, even with a just cause David still sleep alive. Show them a picture of Selassie, then I tell them to protect the life. You know see him an ancient monarchy. with me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto in of gunshot tabaki, and the rum shop cheaper than Ital market. Babylon a pass, go make me mass it. Turn up the treble, it a rotted. Penetrate straight through the cold hearted. Knowledge is a must, oh yes I'll blast it. So tell me what the Ras you're asking, how I survive and surpass this. Ethiopia where the age should be protected, the needy never neglected. And Selassie I always reflected. I tell them about David and Goliath. Youth and them get quiet, Babylon say me start a riot. Show them a picture of Selassie to protect the life. You don't see man monarchy, with me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto enough gunshot tabaki. To who you attacking? Remember me tell you, careful who you walk with. Who go save the youth from blood and creep walking? Name the generation, take it to what I'm talking. Selassie I am the king of all kings, yo. I tell them Selassie never dead. Rumor them must spread, they probably sick in a them head. Show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell the life, yo. You don't see some man a Asian monarchy, with me dagger full suit made from khaki. Down in the ghetto when I've gunshot tabaki, and the rum shop cheaper than Ital market. Babylon a pass, give me the weed, come mass it. Yo, turn up the bass and treble, make we blast it. Penetrate straight through the cold hearted. Education is a must, so yes I'll blast it. Yo, so you ask me how I survive and surpass this. So that's the you show them the way, yeah. Show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a picture, show them a, show them a picture of Selassie. Then I tell them to protect the life. You don't see some man a ancient monarchy, with me dagger full suit made from khaki.
Hold on to love. I know you have been wondering if I will love you till the end of time. Oh yeah. And though you have been wondering, let me reaffirm in your mind. Oh woman, I promised you I'd never break your heart, and now I will be true as from the start. Only treat me right and be upright. I love you for the rest of my life. Oh yes, Lord. Our love will never, ever die. Oh no, no. And I will forever be by your side. Yeah, yeah. I know your friends are telling you that I am not the one for you. Oh no, oh. But if we only follow our hearts, then we'll find enough love to see us through. Oh, I promise you I'll never let you down. And on your head I'll put this diamond crown. Lord, only treat me right and be upright. I love you for the rest of my life. Oh yeah, oh, our love will never, ever die. Oh no, oh no, I will forever be by your side.
drop catch, but we don't drop. None of this anything or anything we can't drop down. Get a youth when you wire the battlefield. Don't let your sword and your shield. Nobody make them share up your meal. Now we not afraid of people. I get a youth when you wire the battlefield. Don't let your sword and your shield. Nobody make them give you blue steel. Tell them I put over evil. You coulda bad like a Steve Austin, like Goliath coulda big and chopping. Ready fi go put them in the trash bin. Make we show them how we deal with napkin. How them say them cool and them not know about napkin. I talk about say them we make gunshot sing. We not in at the chase, not lash thing. Some boy them just a chat in. Get to you when you wire the battlefield. Don't let your sword or your shield. Nobody make them share up your meal. Cause we not afraid of people. I get to you when you wire the battlefield. Don't let your sword or your shield. Nobody make them give you blue steel. Tell them I good over evil. Them can't frighten me. Them can't frighten me. Yeah, and them can't send vampire with no bite for me. Yeah, and it's I say I'm the first to shine the light for me. Yeah, in the day or in the dark or in the night for me. Them say Lord God, we couldn't bring the peace no rice to me. Me say them couldn't send the sniper thing come right for me. Me say me unlimited them cannot side for me. Now go sell my soul, me tell them send no bring no bite to me. So them a watch face but we not watch none. Them a drop catch but we not drop none. Them a take stretch but we not take none. Well anything or anything we can't drop down. Yes, ship off we seal, me sing. Sling thing almighty are the real thing. Babylon a mess when I'm seeking. Sling thing almighty and the real thing. Babylon a mess. Well, watch out. Get to use them coming up the line. You can't stop them now no matter how your bad mind. Watch out. Get to use to say you're full time. Kick down the barriers and that's what the nine. Watch out. Get to use them coming up the line. You can't stop them now no matter how your bad mind. Watch out. Get to use to say you're full time. Kick down the barriers and that's what the nine. Deliver us with your mighty hands, oh Lord. Lions at the gate, you know them have to stand yard. Babylon of fake come with double standard. I legalize things but we no want how we yard. Sizzla have the money so the people have it nice. Immediately me start build up franchise. Rasta now play, you only have one choice. Live and make it right, you only got one life. Watch out, get to you some coming up the line. You can't stop them no matter how your bad mind. Watch out, get to you to say you're full time. Get down the barriers and that's what the nine. Watch out, get to you some coming up the line. Can't stop them no matter how your bad mind. Watch out, poor people say you're full time. Burn down Babylon and that's what the nine. The wicked man them better clear the way. Youths them must suffer and they want a better day. Me mama and me papa say they want a better pay. I be a guns of the youths them can't even play. Nothing wrong from your eye like the truth. Why you politicians them don't like the youth? Every man in them come them want fight the youth. Here King Selassie shine the light the youth. Watch out, watch the youth them coming out the line. Can't stop them no matter how your bad mind. Watch out, poor people say you're full time. Burn down Babylon just sun a shine. Watch out, get the youth them coming out the line. You can't stop them no matter how your bad mind. Watch out, get the youth say you're full time. Education and that's what the nine. The system always attack with. No matter how them still cannot stop with. Me see Babylon a try black with. Can you make music like say a factory. Oh, the wicked of it and no fire on the whole of them. Man I beg no friend from none of them. Fire on the whole of them. You know. Who they know? Them let me rotty. Slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the high sent monarchy. Now you let me rotty. Slew them with karate. Rock with me sword and me first out a khaki. Do not let me rotty. Slew them with karate. Here Rastafari, you are the golden monarchy. Do not get me rotty. Slew them with karate. Slew them with karate. Here Selassie, you are the high sent monarchy. How you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Burn Babylon because I'm corrupt and them naughty. I am a roar, cool the dog, them holy barky. Yo, pop off the sword and how them face get marky. The man defend wild. Well, myself is started. To know of the old woman, a burst down on the market. To do kill the innocent pedestrian on the street when them are walking. Who don't know? Question me now for asking. Me throw blood them out and me throw blood them stalking. Man, nothing and all of them still get dirty. Yo, and I'm blind. Well, then them get me rotty, so I go slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you are the ancient monarchy. Do not get me rotty. Me slew them with karate. Could you know? Yo, really get a youth when you're riches, you got the clump. Make them stop
can't stop me, I'm out of dumb. Now me make me redeem like the youth them put a jump. This thing I tell you to get me a kick and thumb. Now disrespect anytime them come amongst. Show them good gratitude and show them love. Burn out the hate and you must burn out the grudge. I stop from said the people. Blood done me rotty, through them with karate. Here King Selassie me on the ice and monarchy. So do not get me rotty, through you with karate. Through them with karate. Yo, hey, boom them get me rotty. So me go slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie me on the ice and monarchy. Now them get me rotty, could they know them get me rotty. Could they know them get me rotty. So me go praise King Selassie him a the ancient monarchy. Yo, how you feeling? Well, I'm feeling naughty. Me burn up Babylon because I'm corrupt and I'm naughty. Should no rob the innocent youth down in the market. Should no kill the pedestrian on the street when them are walking. Put ya no corruption and enough for them are talking. Well, that's why lightning nothing is walking. Yo, King Selassie, me say them get naughty. Through them is naughty. To do this Selassie, no them get naughty. Good